You're watching how to share a YouTube video in Snapchat. Open the YouTube app and find the video you want to share. Tap the share button below the video. It looks like an arrow. From the share sheet, tap the copy link option. This copies the YouTube video's URL to your clipboard. Now open Snapchat from the main camera screen. You have two main options. First, you can send the link directly in a chat. Swipe right to go to the chat screen. Select a friend or group. Tap the chat bar to bring up the keyboard. Then tap and hold in the text field and select paste. The YouTube link will appear. You can add text with it, then tap send. The recipient can tap the link to open it in YouTube. Second, you can add the link to your Snap story from the camera screen. Take a photo or video as usual. Before posting, tap the paperclip attach icon on the right side. In the attach link box, paste the YouTube URL, tap attach to Snap. A small link preview will appear on your Snap. You can move and resize it, then post to your story. Viewers can swipe up on your story to open the YouTube video. This method works for both public and private videos, but private videos may require the viewer to have permission. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.